Hey guys, for this one, raise your drink, or hell, chug it. If you've ever gotten into a relationship agreement that seemed more complicated than a celebrated prenup. Industrial leases can feel just the same, complex, but crucial to get right. Navigating the world of industrial leases is like decoding a complex relationship contract. Each clause and condition can significantly impact your investment. Today, we will peel back the layers of these leases to understand their structure and how they influence both landlords and tenants in industrial real estate. Number one is lease types. First up, let's talk about the different types of leases. Like different relationship dynamics, each lease type dictates who pays what. A. Net leases. In this arrangement, the tenant handles some or all of the property expenses, such as taxes, insurance, and maintenance, directly. B. Gross leases. Here, the tenant pays a flat rental fee and the landlord covers all property expenses, simplifying the tenant's responsibilities. C. Modified gross lease. A mix of both. This lease splits the responsibility for expenses in various ways depending on the agreement. Number two, let's discuss term length. The length of the lease is like the commitment level in a relationship. Longer leases often means more stability, but less flexibility. Industrial leases typically last from 5 to 10 years because both parties benefit from a long-term commitment. Tenants get to stabilize their operation costs, and landlords enjoy the steady cash flow. Number three, rent escalation. Just like in any long-term relationship, you expect things to evolve. Rent escalation clauses in industrial leases ensure the rent increases at a predefined rate, which helps landlords keep up with inflation and maintain the property's profitability over time. Number four, maintenance and repairs. Who takes out the trash? In this case, literally. In industrial leases, the maintenance and repair clauses define who is responsible for upkeep and repairs. This can range from the landlord handling major repairs to tenant taking care of day-to-day maintenance. Number five, termination and renewal. Every good contract considers the breakup. Termination clauses outline the conditions under which a lease can be ended before its term, while renewal options provide the possibility to continue the relationship under agreed terms. Understanding these key aspects helps investors and tenants alike navigate their commitments and responsibilities effectively, ensuring that everyone knows what they are signing up for. Now, are you fascinated by how global shifts affect these industrial spaces? Tune in next time as we explore market trends influencing industrial real estate. It's like keeping an eye on how external pressures can reshape a long-term commitment. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ECMP Studios. Any lease stories or dilemmas? Share them in the comments or reach out for a direct chat. We are here to help clear up any complexities. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay